Does it hurt when you write? This is Dr. Levi. I have a few tips for you. So often people write with their thumb hyperflexed at the IP joint. Hyperflex means this: the thumb is bent in this position. So these are the ways I've seen people write. So take a look. They will write and they will press their thumb. This is hyperflexed, this joint, the interphalangeal joint, pressed against their middle finger, and they'll write like this. Some people write this way. Again, hyperflexed thumb. This is flexed too much. Or they'll write like this. Again, hyperflexed thumb. So you want to write with your thumb fairly straight, just like this. Maybe a little bit of IP flexion, a little bit, but not this. That's not good. You want here, where you can write here. Control the IP flexion, but not extreme. I hope this really helps you. Now, I want to show you a few exercises that will help with that also. So they're pretty simple. So here, again with the thumb, around the world, back around the world, in and out. Then with your small finger and ring finger tucked in, just use your index and middle finger and thumb to come down, in and out. It's like called goose mouth, just like that. Then around the world. All right, then goose mouth, a set of 20, 3 sets of 20, really simple. And then around the world, a set of 20. You can even reverse it this way. All right, so these are basic exercises that will help you. Just remember, most importantly with writing, even in this digital age, so many of us still write every day, of course, you want to consider not having hyperflexion of your interphalangeal joint, of your thumb. It's that position. It's a lot for that joint to take. So just keep it more straight. So I hope that helps you. This is Dr. Levi, the Gamers and Esports Doctor, with some tips to help you have less pain in your hands when you're writing. So please subscribe and like below, leave some comments, and leave some comments about videos that you'd like us to curate. We'll definitely do that for you. See you soon. Bye.